We wanted to take questions for you and Simone now. And so, does anyone in the room have any questions? I'm trying to find the chat online as well. Do we have any questions for Simone? Yeah, Tom, we have one here. Just a moment, please.
Buonasera. So my question to Simone is, can you give us a little bit more information with respect to your interest in collaborating with CERVI on the volatiles in water ISU question?
Sure. Thank you, Tom. Thank you for your question. Yes, we have with CERVI, we have a partnership, an associate partnership since 2017, and we had several initiatives in this time frame. Recently, we involved our partner, and we discussed a lot with Christina. We arranged 2 workshops with both the 2 scientific communities in order to identify possible opportunities for cooperation. Since we will start from the technology that I show you, the carbothermal reduction, as a reference, as a kind of national heritage, but we would like to have a wider cooperation in the identification of possible simulants. For example, there are several areas where we would like to involve, to use the CERVI partnership as an opportunity to let the community stay in touch and cooperate and having and benefiting, I think, for this opportunity. So we organized this, these 2 workshops, one past fall and one in this springtime. And I think it will be a good way to, again, to benefit from this association to CERVI.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions? There's none in the chat.
Okay, this is Brian. Mario, I have a question for you. You mentioned the trip that you took a long time ago through the Pinacate, and I've had the pleasure of being in the Pinacate since then with you. And there are a number of people in our audience here who do analog studies for lunar and Mars work. And I was wondering if you could perhaps talk to our audience a little bit about the thoughts that you and the Mexican government have in terms of the future of the Pinacate and perhaps other analog sites in Mexico.
Yes, of course. Thanks for the question, Brian. And yes, we are in a project to expand the small side museum that there is in Pinacate with an exhibit that will take the people from the history times of Apollo era to modern times, return to the moon. So that's a project going still. And there is this nice big area where analog studies or analog research can be done, of course, in Pinacate, and certainly we're looking for some other places in Mexico to be able to bring them to the public for these experiential and educational experiences. And that's what we're working on.
Okay, thank you. Well, make a last call, and in particular, we'll let Simone go off for his evening. Okay.
Thank you. Just, I don't know if it's a little bit out of topic, but you know that we recently launched the scientific mission like 4 days ago. from ASI, which is related to the Lagios family. It's a laser ranging satellite that is called LARES-2. And I don't know if it can be of some interest to show some very, very recent video and information about it. But just, I don't know if there is an additional minute to discuss about it.
How much time do you think it would take?
No, just I don't know. I can talk for hours, but no, I'm not
Maybe a
sure.
minute or two? For a minute or two?
Sure. We what happened is that I'm trying to share screen, and that we had this. We launched this new scientific satellite with a new Italian rocket, basically, which is an evolution of an Italian rocket, just called Vega. It's a European launcher, basically, but for its maiden flight, they selected this Italian satellite, which is of the Lagios family, and it's has been released in an orbit which is very close to the, which is same altitude but different inclination, supplementary inclination with respect to Lagios. Yesterday, it has been tracked by the first ILRS station in Matera. So all the scientific community in Italy is very excited about it. So, you know, there is a link with the ENFN activity of the lunar laser ranging on the moon. And so maybe it's somehow of some interest. Okay, that's all. I've just showed some video of the launch, and I hope you saw them.
Yes.
Thank you.
Interesting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Grazie.
Thank you. Those are great, and congratulations on the launch.